What up, YouTube? Back at it again with some Hero 9 testing. What I've got today is an audio test between the internal mic on the GoPro Hero 9, the front and rear shotgun mics that are included with the MediaMod, and also with my Rode Lavalier mic, external mic plugged into the MediaMod. I'm going to ride a short loop up this little gully and some higher speed stuff down a road up there once with each of the different mic configurations. When I'm got the MediaMod mics active, it will have this windscreen that came with the MediaMod. The Rode external mic will, it has a fuzzy windscreen attached, and the GoPro audio settings where available will be on the wind reduction setting. Let's get into it. I forgot to mention in the introduction that the microphone setting within the GoPro with the external mic will be set to a standard mic. This first test is with the Rode external mic. Again, this is with the Rode external mic. Most of my videos have been recorded this way with the external mic. This will be an interesting test for me too, to see how good the shotgun mics on the MediaMod are. Okay, that's my test loop. On to the next setup. This test is using the front shotgun mic on the MediaMod with the windscreen attached. This performs as good as I think it will. Okay, test number 2 complete. This test is with the rear-facing shotgun mic on the MediaMod with the windscreen attached. Rear-facing mic should be, in theory, better than the front mic for V-logging. Test 3 complete. This test is with the stock internal mics on the GoPro Hero 9. No windshield and wind reduction enabled in settings. The truth, I don't expect much out of this. Internal mics are usually pretty bad on these GoPros. Test number 4 complete.